Hi guys, I want to let you know that I did my beard here with Dr. Caymaz here in Istanbul. It was so nice from the day that I came here from the airport to the hotel. Everything was perfect. They take me there the day after we did the surgery. It was no pain, no painful for 8 hours, and you can look at the result. It's amazing. I'm really happy, and would like to share that with you because I think that's the best place here in Istanbul for you to do your hair or for you to do your beard. Even they take you out on a trip, they make you visit the city. They really kind with us. So I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I will show you the result in 1 or 2, 3 months, and I'm happy to be here.